Mountain lion safety, starring Matt, Izoa, and Anders. Mountain lions can hide in the grass and surprise you at any time. Mountain lions are very dangerous creatures and can kill humans easily if they are not well prepared. Mountain lions range from 2 to 2.7 feet tall. Their length from nose to tail is around 8 feet. Also, mountain lions are very heavy, so if they get on top of you, then they can overwhelm you. They can be up to 160 pounds. Even with their size, mountain lions can still run at 35 to 45 miles per hour speed. They can also jump 18 feet into the air. If you are not well prepared, mountain lions are even more dangerous creatures.
You may think you know what a mountain lion looks like,
but 80% of mountain lion sightings are actually fake.
They are deer,
bobcats,
dogs,
and even domestic cats.
Most of the time, people who encounter a mountain lion run away.
Running away will make the mountain lion think you're prey, and it will chase you at its 35 to 45 mile per hour speed.
When you encounter a mountain lion, the first thing you want to do is make yourself look as big as possible and make a lot of noise. This will scare the mountain lion and hopefully make it go away. Next, throw anything that you can find on the ground at the mountain lion and it will go away. After that, take out your phone and call the nearest park ranger so they can spot the sighting. If you do this, you have a safe hike if you encounter a mountain lion.
Also, to be safe, you want to hike in groups.
If you have children, make sure to keep them close to you.
Always keep a safe distance between a mountain lion and yourself, because mountain lions are very dangerous animals.
When you encounter a mountain lion, it is very important to make yourself look as big as possible by waving your arms.
When you encounter a mountain lion, you want to throw sticks or rocks to scare it.
If you don't have any sticks or rocks, try and throw a tennis ball or anything that you can find. When you throw the sticks, aim for the head. The ball to the head will make sure the lion is scared and the lion will hopefully go away.
When you encounter a mountain lion, you don't want to turn your back on them.
If you turn your back on the mountain lion, they think you are prey because you are not aware of your surroundings and you are easy to eat.
They will start to attack you and attack you and attack you.
Once they start attacking you and your back is turned to them, you have no way of protecting yourself and you are already dead. When you turn your back to them, this is very dangerous and you should never do this when you're hiking.
If you're attacked by a mountain lion, the best way to survive is by fighting back.
Many people think that it is smart to curl up in a ball so that the mountain lion will leave you alone, but this is all too wrong. When the mountain lion sees you curled up, they think that you are prey, and because you are so easy to attack, they will attack you and rip your bones apart.
After you have encountered a mountain lion, the first thing you want to do is be in contact with the public ranger.
What you tell the public ranger is your exact location, so the public ranger can map out where all the occurrences and attacks of mountain lions are. When they know that, they can see where the most mountain lions are to protect you.
It will also protect others from getting hurt and also getting killed.
The number of attacks after that will go down largely. To recap, what you want to do is first make yourself as large as you can and shout as loud as you can. Also, you want to face the lion, but back away as slowly as you can. If you back away too fast, the lion will think you're prey and will come at you and attack.
If you're hiking with children, pick them up both out bending.
Also, you want to keep them close. If attacked, fight back.
Learning this skill can potentially save your life and others as well.
You must be especially careful around the Bay Area because mountain lions are very common here.
Let's go finish our hike, Anders.
Hopefully, if you do get attacked by a mountain lion in the future, you will know what to do because of what you learned today. Also, when you're hiking, hopefully you will feel a lot safer because you know what to do if you encounter a mountain lion.